Welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. In my previous videos, I actually went through the propagation techniques. Now, there were three different techniques that I used. One is by culm cuttings or the stem cuttings. One is from the main base culm cuttings, and the third method was from the main rhizome cuttings. First one here is the one from the main stem cutting, the bamboo cutting. Now, if you can see, these didn't do very well. I would imagine the care that I gave to it was the main factor why it didn't grow. Give up on it. I'll leave it here and see what happens. The second one here, this two. This is the second technique that I used. I uprooted or cut off the bamboo from the main culm base. Now, there were a bit of shoots growing, or the leaves and shoots here. So I planted them straight into the pot. Now, this is not bad actually. There's signs of growth right there. It seemed to be doing well. I just need to give it some water and soil and care for it over this time and see what happens. Now I'll move to the third one, which is the main technique that I used. I propagated those bamboos from the main rhizome cuttings. Now what I did initially, pull this one out. I put them into pots like this, right? And as in this one, as you can see, there's a new shoot here. Okay, so that's the first thing I did. And then once that's done, I kind of move them around a bit. Okay, so that's the result of the plants that I got from the main rhizome cuttings. Right, last week I moved some of them from the smaller propagating pots into this large pot, right? And they're doing pretty well. Okay, so there are different ways of growing bamboos. You can propagate them from the culm or the stem cutting, from the main culm base itself, or even from the rhizome that you're growing, and you get lovely plants. But I think all in all, the rhizome cuttings really worked for me.